how important it is to choose the right music to bring out the emotion you want. Since I started creating videos, I've always put a lot of importance on the music I use. I usually start a project by finding the right music for it. It will define the mood and the rhythm of the video. For example, for this video I want a song really dynamic with a small touch of Middle East. When I got it, I added it to a playlist I created for this project. And then when I'm back home, I log into my account, reopen the project, download the music, and then the creative process begins. I love using atmospheric music. I always try to find something that can remind the atmosphere I wasn't there, like that cold mood I felt up there in the Arctic. Sometimes some music makes me want to play with it, to manage to put the right footage in the right place, using very short parts of each moment to finally create an abstract result. It's always a pleasure to be able to play with these different styles of music, and Musicbed is very well designed for that. It has an easy browse features and a roster full of authentic music from real artists, and I can always find exactly what I'm looking for.
Contact high for my DMS score. Sun, rain, dropped on them cheeks, so I need change. Break the chains. Phoenix, I rise out of these flames. No more games. Beauty is pain, so I take aim. We ain't the same. You lame, I reign.
At the end, the music has a place like an actor in a movie. It becomes a character by itself. And I promise you, if you choose the right one for your project, it will play a major role in the success of your video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will try to do more stuff like this in the future, to tell you more about the creative process there is behind my work. There is a link in the description of this video where you can find my coupon code Antoine, and you can use it at the checkout to get your first month free when you purchase an annual subscription. It's not easy to say in English. When you purchase an annual subscription. Yeah, I got it. So let's jump on it, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Cheers.